Welcome to the August 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, check out how Josh Williams of Lakeland Septic Company turned a small family business into a Central Florida powerhouse. From competing with his dad to teaming up on big projects, it's all about balancing growth and keeping it lean. Here's a shout out to the unsung heroes in our industry, the office managers. They keep the operation running like a well-oiled machine, from smooth scheduling to handling finances. Raymond Belmore of Souhegan Septic Tank Service shares how his crew tackles everything from full-sized footballs clogging pipes to dealing with tricky regulations. See how they handle dwindling disposal options and those pesky forever chemicals. Islandwood's 20-year-old living machine just got a major upgrade. Advanced Septic and Construction Services added bioreactor tech to recycle treated wastewater for toilet flushing. Our directory of advanced treatment unit manufacturers has the cutting-edge solutions you need for reliable and efficient installations. Get the lowdown on the latest in ATUs, nitrogen reduction systems, and UV disinfection. These innovations are ready to handle anything your toughest jobs throw at them. See how EarthTech's AMBR system handled Miami Nation's high-strength waste with ease. FujiClean fit a compact coastal lot, and Sludgehammer's bacteria booster solved overflow at a Michigan winery. From Vermont's outdated septic laws to Colorado's game-changing water reuse system, stay in the know with rules and regs. Check out the latest on secondary barriers for septic systems. New regs are making them a must-have. Discover how adding safety covers and screens can protect lives and save you from potential headaches. Check out the VIO 87 mini excavator from Yanmar. With a revamped comfy cab, zero tail swing, and 360-degree camera options, it's a game changer for your on-site system installs. Finally, a tribute to Roger Mockmeyer, the OG septic system answer man. For 15 years, he tackled your toughest septic questions and set the standard in the industry. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.